Hello guys, welcome back to I Got It Out the Soil, and today I'm going to be talking about what I eat in a day on my 14-day fruit fast. Let's get started. I'm going to extend my 14-day fruit fast to the end of this month, so I'm going to finish out this month on a fruit fast. And if I need to, I will add in a little fat, and my fat of choice is the avocado. Let's get started on what I eat in a day. Now, when I first wake up, I drink tea. Okay, the tea I drink is what came with the program. Now, I'm not recommending these herbs. I'm just taking it in conjunction with my fruit fast. The fruit fast by itself is going to give you a detox, but this is just something extra that I put on. I'm not suggesting any of these products. I'm just telling you what I'm doing during my 14-day fruit fast. So, one of the things I'm doing is taking this. I drink tea. Okay, this is a herbal tea. It is a herbal detox tea. It just helps you use the restroom. Basically, that's what this tea is, and they look like this. Okay, they come in a pack, and these are for 14 days. Okay, and what it has in there, let me see. It has peppermint, senna leaf, chamomile, lotus leaf, lemongrass, celery, fennel leaf, elderflowers, dandelion, marshmallow leaf, holy thistle leaf. So it has a lot of good herbs, and I do take, herbs. So this is nothing new to me. This is what I take first thing in the morning, and I take this before I go to bed as well. I drink this tea along with this 14-day program. It's called like a colon cleanse. So this is called the Big Flush. This is nothing but herbative laxative, and it has a lot of these herbs that's in the tea, the same herbs that's in the tea, but it also has flax seeds and aloe vera. Okay, so it's aloe vera and flax seeds in the Big Flush. I take this twice a day, only at bedtime. Okay, this I take at breakfast and at dinner. You have to take these with meals, and it is a colon cleanse, and it has golden seal and bentonite clay in it, in these pills, and they pills just look like this. Very small pill. Pop it in your mouth, drink it. So that's enough of the herbs that I'm taking with this 14-day fast. Okay, I am eating watermelon. Okay, watermelon. Oh, my bad. I'm going out of order. So sorry about that. I drink a smoothie, and this is the mixed fruit that I drink in the morning. I hope you can see that. It's the pineapple, strawberry, peaches, and mango. You can do any brand that has this in it. I drink 32 ounces, maybe more, 32 ounces in the morning. If I'm feeling a little more hungrier, I add 16 more ounces on top of that. It just depends. If I'm hungry or need a little more energy, I eat a little more. But I take 2 of these, and this is the smoothie blended up. Okay, so 2 of these. This is a 16-ounce glass jar. I put in that smoothie half of apple juice. This is the 100% pure press Simply's apple juice brand. I actually like another brand that is just 100%. 100%. I don't believe it's pasteurized, so it's just fresh juicing. But in the crunch, I get this brand. If I can't find that one, and I put spring water in it to cut it, because this apple juice, I believe, do it have added sugar? No, it say no added sugar, so they don't have added sugar. But I still cut it with water. Okay, so have apple juice, have water in my smoothies, and then I will get this, and I drink 2 bottles of this in the morning, along with this pill that I have to take with meals. So that is my meal, basically. Okay. At lunchtime and dinner, I might put blueberries in that smoothie. It all depends if I want blueberries. So it is wild blueberries that I take. But my main fruit that I'm eating is watermelon and blueberries. Okay. So for lunch, I will eat watermelon, and I'm gonna cut that up because it's lunchtime and I need to eat. So y'all can watch me cut that up. I might cut this out, might not. But this is my watermelon that I normally cut up and eat. Get that here. I'll just cube them. Nothing special. Just make it more easier to eat. So, this is it. Got my bowl. So that's usually what's for lunch is watermelon and blueberries. On this fruit fast, nothing special, straightforward. I wanted to do just a mono diet of watermelon, but to get an even better fruit fast, berries help as well. They have a lot of antioxidants in those, in the blueberries, and they help you detox along with the watermelon. So that's how I cube it up, bite sizes. And that's that for that. I have to cut up some more, but I'm gonna finish out this video to show y'all what else I'm eating. That's pretty much it. I'm talking about to show you what else I'm eating. That's it. That is it. I eat the watermelon, throw some blueberries in there. Let me throw my blueberries in. And these are frozen. I like them frozen. Blueberries, and I eat blueberries and watermelon for lunch and dinner. Okay, usually 8 ounces of blueberries, maybe more, just depends on how I feel. So that's how I lost. I'm currently, when I first weighed, I weighed 150 pounds. I'm currently at 138. So I have lost about 10 to 11 pounds on this diet. And for me, I'm 5'5". You can notice it when I lose weight. I wish I had I do have some before pictures that I may add into this video. But I'm going to sit here and spit my gum out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I'm eating on my 14-day fast. Smoothies. Let's recap. I eat a smoothie in the morning. It is this mixed fruit that I eat in the morning. 32 ounces, maybe more, depending on if I'm still hungry or not. And then for lunch, I eat cubed watermelon and blueberries. And I eat the same thing for dinner. And then when nighttime rolls around, I'm drinking my tea. Okay, and this is 8 ounces that I'm drinking. Okay, so that is it for what I eat in the day on my fruit fast and how I lost 10 pounds. For the first 7 days, I only ate watermelon and blueberries for the first 7 days. Okay, the rest of the days I went ahead and incorporated, because I was finding myself still hungry in the morning time, incorporated the smoothies. I did add a little bit of fat, which is my avocado. It just depends on you and your body. I'm just wanting to let you know how I lost 10 pounds on this fruit fast so far, and I'm only on day 9. I am going to finish out the month. So if you want to do the fruit fast with me, come aboard. Comment down below. Let me know if you're going to start the fruit fast with me. I love to help y'all do the fruit fast with me. That watermelon's good. Get a few of these blueberries. Pop a few of these blueberries. Y'all can do this. If I can do a fruit fast with a sugar addiction, you guys most definitely can do a fruit fast, okay? Oh, I did want to mention, I forgot to add, I am a vegan, right? Everybody think when they hear vegan that it's just top health. No. If I hear raw, which raw vegans, raw plant-based vegans, they eat fruit and vegetables. Now that is top health. That's why they have energy through the roof. They skin clear. Oh, that's what I forgot to add. I did wanted to give you a little background on why I even started the fruit fast, and I forgot to even mention that. So I am going to mention that now. The reason why I started the fruit fast, I'm looking over this way because I created notes so I wouldn't forget this, and I never pulled it up, which is why I forgot it the first time. I did want to give a disclaimer again. I'm not telling you guys to take any of these herbs to do the fruit fast. You might want to consult your doctor. I'm just showing you what I do. You guys can do it along with me. I will suggest, if you're having any skin issues, pretty much signs that you need to detox. I wasn't going to the bathroom regularly. I had brain fog. I had no energy. I had a hard time going to sleep and staying asleep. I had weight gain, and I believe I mentioned already I had breakouts. So that was a sign that I needed to detox. So that's why I even started the 14-day detox in the first place, a colon cleanse, since I wasn't going to the restroom regularly. Okay. Signs that you may need to detox: not using the bathroom regularly. Okay. Brain fog. You might have tingling in your arms and legs. That also can be another issue. But you have getting sick, you having tingling in your arms and legs, probably due to poor circulation. And if you start on the fruit fast, start moving. Okay, start moving around as well along with this fruit fast. That will increase the circulation because you're moving, and then this gonna flush you out and detox your body. Okay. You can be craving bad foods. I was also that. I am addicted to sugar. Okay. I'm a sugar fanatic. Okay. Cookies, just because they're vegan, they have a lot of sugar in it and fat. Okay. A lot of bad ingredients. Okay. You're overeating, and because your body is not getting the proper nutrition. Okay. So we want to get our body back. We want to help our body get back balanced. So in order to do that, I would suggest that you start a fruit fast. Okay, start something light. If you don't want to do it for 14 days, do it for 7 days and see if you can sustain that. But anything you can put your mind to, believe you can do. Okay, I want to just throw that out there. Okay, you can see it in your mind, you can make it a reality. Okay, yeah. So in a nutshell, that's why I started this fruit fast. I was having all the signs that I needed to have a fruit fast, and I normally go on a fruit fast twice a year, every year. Okay, I have been slacking off. I haven't been on a fruit fast for, I say, at least about 2 to 3 years. And I'm talking about a real fast, a real cleanse. So it was about that time for me to go ahead and start my detoxes back up again. So I am going to make this part of my lifestyle as I did before. I did it before I went on this hiatus. I was doing a fruit fast every year for 5 years. Okay, so I'm not new to this. I am true to this. So my body do have to get back acclimated because it's been so long. It's been 3 years. So day 9, I'm feeling great, feeling good, looking good. It look like I think I got a little. You know what I'm saying? I think I see two packs, or am I tripping? Y'all, do y'all see the packs coming in? I got 2 of them. You know y'all see that. Y'all don't see that pack. It's two. It's a keg. Stop that. Stop that. Got 2 packs, okay? All right. You see them coming in, okay? What's coming in is this watermelon, these blueberries, okay? And these detox, okay? So if that's it. That's in a nutshell on what I do during my 14-day fruit fast. I am going to extend it out to, what date? This month go up to the 30th. So I will be extending the fruit fast up till the end of this month. And like I said, if y'all want to join, comment down below. Sound off in the comments below who's going to go on this 14-day fruit fast challenge with me, and we can keep each other motivated to stay on this fruit fast. Okay, let me know if you want to join, and comment. Maybe I'll do some updates. Okay, so I wanted to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoying the content, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, ring that notification bell so every time I drop a video, you'll be notified. So until next time, I see you in my next video. Peace.